right, in this video, I'm going to save you guys a lot of headaches. If you go to the left side when facing front, you're going to see there's a compartment and there's a little lip here. This is the door that opens up the space where you put your battery, your card, and your charging. So the way you do it is you got to put your thumb here. You don't want to have it here because this way you won't be able to open it. You're going to put your thumb here and you're going to get a nail under here and you've got to put pressure on it this way. Watch it pop up. See how it just popped up? You can see it on the side. Now the door will open. You can see I already have the battery in the card, and that's the charging port, which is a USB-C. Now to close it, it's kind of interesting too, because you're going to pull it down. And then what I do is I kind of pull this way, and then I give it a little push there, and then now it's closed. So one more time to show you how to open up the charging battery and micro SD port door. You take your finger here, don't put your thumb there. Don't put any pressure on this line right there where that seam is, and just push, and then it pops. And then to close it, a little bit of pressure this way, then a little bit of pressure that way, and that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Peace out.